up, guys? It's your boy Robert here. Hope you guys are having a great day. There's the lens right there. I'm looking at a different place, but what's up? We're over here on Oahu, guys, in the Hertz parking lot, to be specific. We got Jessie girl. Say hi, Jess. Yeah. So we're just here for the day, specifically for Jess's doctor's appointment. And instead of Ubering around, since the car prices are not too expensive now at this time, decided to get a rent-a-car. You know, over here we got a nice little Kia. This is pretty nice, Jess. Yeah, nice Kia. I don't know, what is this? A Kia what, Jess? What is this, guys? Yes. Ooh, we got the Sport, Jess. Look at that. Kia Sport. Rio Sport, guys. Wow. Is this gonna be fast? I think it's gonna be fast. Yes, we got the Sport version. I don't know. Let's see. All right. Here's the interior. Not too bad. Nice. We'll rent a car, and kind of dirty, but that's all right. We love Hertz. Okay, let's go, guys. All right, guys. We just ate lunch on that bench right there. We are sort of in a hurry over here, but yeah, oh, beautiful place. So this is right in front of the Moana shopping center, guys. Difficult to find parking over here, right, Jess? Yeah. But, yeah, I should put this FJ. Ooh, nice. Let's go up. The scooter. Oh, frick, I should have. I know.
What's your own? You have your own.
Roger that. Yeah, we did a swimming pool up there. They covered it already, so then I can see the U-boat. Alright, guys, so her doctor appointment went well. She actually has to go back later this year once again. After that, we went. I didn't film because I don't think they allow cameras in the motorcycle shop. Just wanted to take a look at some motorcycles, guys, to see if she can basically flat foot certain motorcycles. And I was eyeing up one motorcycle, which is the Harley Iron 883, and that thing looked good. It looked really good. It was all blacked out, just below $15,000 though. Oh my god. Ugh, I wish I was rich. But grab it on the spot. My goodness, but so yeah, guys, we're over here now at check it out, guys. Dunkin Donuts. Dunkin Donuts. Right next to the airport. Just was craving for some donuts. And I think, oh, I forgot to tell her to grab coffee. But you know what? We're about to drop off the rental car anyway, so never mind. Never mind. Alright, guys. Alright, Jess, what you got? Jess, what you got?
This is a Bavarian cream.
Mm,
The star.
Mm-hmm.
This is the chocolate glaze.
Okay, okay.
Coconut.
Ooh, that looks good.
The
Regular?
It's a regular glaze.
Glazed, yeah.
Jelly, star, and then vanilla cream.
Holy camole, Jess. That looks good. And Jess actually did pick up coffee right over there. So we're gonna enjoy that tonight with the kiddos, right, Jess? The dessert action.
The Dunkin.
The
We go
Dunk- It's a Dunkin Donuts, guys. It's a Dunkin Donut action.
Because my cream right here, my vanilla cream.
Yeah? Oh, vanilla cream. Oh, that one.
This is the latte. Hot latte.
Hot latte? Oh, okay. Yeah, we have some. We have plenty time yet.
Oh, strong. It's good.
Mm-hmm. Alright, guys. Ooh. Oh, yeah. Hey, this is pretty good, Jess. Oh, yeah, yeah. Oh, this is actually pretty good. This is a latte, Jess?
Latte.
A hot latte with what? Well, what did you add on?
I just put just only a vanilla.
Nice and simple, but tastes really good. Tastes really good, Jess. Good job. Oh, alright.